Hey, yeah, since Bitcoin is freaking pumping, why the hell not, right? Why the hell not? Let me just go ahead and... Why not? Why not watch Bitcoin pump together? Oh, you guys can't hear me? No, you guys should be able to hear me. It says that you guys can hear me. I don't have a drink though. I thought I should probably go and make a drink. Oh, I should adjust audio. Go. Play some music. How's that? This thing is though, right? This. Let's see. The volume on this was pretty significant. Pretty significant. And we took out some key highs too. Yeah, I should probably change the title, eh? Bitcoin pumping. I just turn the stream back on. Like, this has happened like 3 times in a row now. I end the stream, and last time around, I think it was Cardano that pumped. This time I end the stream and Bitcoin pumps like immediately. Good morning from San Diego. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you too, bud. Good morning to you. So the stream is going to be a quick one, maybe like around 10 to 15 minutes. We did stream for already around, I think, an hour and a half prior to this one. So go ahead and watch that stream right after I end this one. I am a bit famished too, so let's see how far Bitcoin goes. This is pretty good. Kusha was telling me that the mango wine was calling buy opportunity this morning. Bounce off that weekly support, man. Just took out the high over here too. Classics were always bullish, didn't turn. Mitch says, hello, good sir. Hello, right back at ya, man. Can we check on ADA? Thanks. We can, yes. Let's go ahead and look at what Cardano's doing. Is ADA pumping during this? Not really, right? Bitcoin's having a better reaction, and we can see that through the ADA BTC chart. It's actually doing relatively well. I want to see it take out this high over here, 121. That I'll be looking for to get all the way up to $1.23. I want to see it, Bitcoin in the next 4 minutes. We're closing an hourly candle close here, right? It's seeing resistance right up against this level right here, but the first level to take out is pretty much this level, these highs over here. So we close above these highs, great. If we reject both the highs and we reject this level over here, still a good candle nonetheless. You need to know what ENG could do. We all need to know what the future could be, man. What the future is going to be. Yeah, it's still moving for now, man. Myth. Remember, the Trader Fraser is looking at that one. What's it doing? Doing nothing. Right now, at least. Resistance right here, man. If it closes above, which it did. Sorry, apologies on that. Oh, blue sky breakout, man. All-time highs. This trend continuation. Daily time frame looking good. Trend continuation. Dynamic. Yeah, holding the cloud here. Choppy here. Retook it. Trend continuation. Maybe the 2-day. Yeah, the 2-day is trending. 3 days. 3 days is the one you want to play this on. And the mango time frame is the perfect one. Bounced off. We have 2 days and 12 hours for this 4-day candle to close. So 3 minutes to go, guys. 3 minutes to go. If everyone thinks we're going to go a lot higher, doesn't the market usually do the opposite? Do people think we're going higher though? I think most people are kind of cautious here, man. If not downright bearish or outright bearish. Kevin Benedict says, I need to know. Okay, no, I read that already. Do you think this would be a fake out? It could be. We'll find out in 2 minutes how the hourly closes, and then you want to know how the 4-hour closes. I doubt though. We've got some key highs. For me to consider this a fake out, we'll need to take out this low here at 56,337. I mean, there's no volume on the 4-hour is what people are going to be saying, but the 4-hour just started, right? We're only 1 hour into the 4-hour candle, and you look at the 1-hour candle, and that's volume, man. Look at the 15-minute, that's volume that has come in. Somebody just bought. Carlos, how's it going, bud? You missed a stream that we just did literally just before this one, so go ahead and watch that one. This is just a quick stream to watch Bitcoin pump, because it started pumping right after I ended the prior stream. So we're gonna go ahead and wrap this one up really quick. I was online, man, for a couple of hours now. Mikio. Ben Richardson says we're gonna be hoping for 54.6k to fill the longs. Yeah, a lot of people hoping for 54. A lot of people. So when a lot of people are hoping for that, that's what doesn't happen, right? It was hard to be bearish when SPY is making new highs, right? And treasuries are looking like this. But again, I don't see the lows get taken out here. I just finished watching the other one. Thank you so much. So hey, man. Wow. You're freaking keeping up. You're on pace. This is why I was confused. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is going to confuse a lot of people. I think I kind of shot myself in the foot over here, but just want to hang out a little bit more with you guys while you watch this pump either get sold into. You'll just wait for this 30-minute candle to close, so we'll be wrapping up in 30 seconds. A side question, Sean. Do you play games at all? Yeah, man. I'm a gamer. Gaming is... gaming saved my life. I used to play Warcraft. Warcraft is the game that really lured me into gaming. I think so. I used to play games as a kid too. I used to play The Lion King. that was a great game. I think I'm drawn to fantasy games. But yeah, Warcraft was Warcraft 3, Reign of Chaos. Then I switched to the Frozen Throne. And then I found Dota, right? So I was playing old school, hardcore Dota. I played professionally, semi-professionally is what you could say. Wow, this candle looks like it wants to continue. I made money to be able to fund my flight ticket to Canada because of my gaming. And yeah, played Dota 2. But then life got in the way, and then I started playing more casually with friends. Now I play DBD. I just got back into gaming recently. Played World of Warcraft too, but again, World of Warcraft isn't like a competitive game. I like games that really test your skill. Right? Dota is a really hard game. Dead by Daylight is a really freaking hard game too. I don't have the same reflexes that I used to have as a kid. But that game still has Dota-like elements where you can mix and match builds and have fun. Do I play COD Wars? So no, I cannot play FPS games other than Counter-Strike that I used to play as a kid. I don't know why. I think it's the friction in the game. The Counter-Strike used to have 1.6 and condition 0. But I can't play FPS games. I get nauseous. So even DBD, I can't play killer. I can only play survivor. It's the first time you're seeing my face. So you weren't here for all of last year, where I used to come on camera every day for every single daily video. Most of the educational videos too, like the EMA versus SMA video where I explain EMA versus SMA, all of those were done on camera, man. But hey, here's my face. Counter-Strike, yeah, that was a fun game. I took that game pretty seriously too. They practiced with the freaking AK so much. And no scope mag, oh man. Retesting the horizontal now, guys. So horizontal isn't right though. We should probably put it down here. Some back to 4. That was right. Actually. Thanks for the honest and free advice. Hey man, none of this is advice. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm an idiot. Don't listen to me. Oh, I tried playing Borderlands. I just never got into it. I think I tried it for like 10 minutes though, so it's not fair. Do you know what was a really good game that wasn't competitive really, but was still lured me in? Was Horizon Zero Dawn. That game was really fun. It was like a mix of fantasy and sci-fi, right? How come you don't look at these factors in trading? Point of control. I do look at point of control, VAL. I don't know what is delta, CVD. So a lot of things over there that you're mentioning, I used to look at. So divergences, by the way, most people don't know how to trade divergences. I look at divergences, but knowing when to trade them is really important, or when to add them to your trading strategy or booster, whatever. But I do look at these things. I used to look at all of these things when I started off in the beginning. And what does that do? It just you end up overcomplicating and end up in analysis paralysis, right? You need to have a trading strategy. You need to be looking at this. And then if this happens, I'll look at this. If this does not happen, I will not even look at this. It won't even matter, blah, blah, blah. You need to have a proper flow chart, right? In the beginning, you need to draw out your flowchart. Over time, the flowchart will be in your head, and you look at all of these things. You know the factors. You'll be like, all right, cool. I take the trade. I don't take the trade. Your job is to simplify your process. Don't add more complications to it. Your job is, at the end of the day, your job is only to make money. The easier you can do that for yourself, the better, because you can spend more time with your family, spend more time with your wife, your kids. Right? Your job is not to like sit here and stare at the screen all day, even though that's seemingly what I'm doing with you guys today. As long as you're having fun, right? But you know, make sure you know when you're just addicted to looking at the charts versus actually enjoying yourself, learning and studying. In the beginning, you need to look at the charts like all day in a way, just to get a feel of how charts move. But don't get sucked into trading that. It's a big difference. God of War was a really fun game too. Yeah, that was. I did enjoy the most recent one. I did enjoy the most recent one. The one prior to that, I just couldn't get into. I'm really picky with my games, so it's funny that you're mentioning games that I enjoyed. I think gaming is really important for everyone. Like people get bored and what do they do? They go out drinking and they go out smoking and they go out. I mean, not against any of that. Don't mean to disparage people, but don't do it just because you're bored. You know, game. You know, it challenges you. It makes your brain work. My best friend's name is Brian, so when I think about gaming, I think of Brian. Yeah, but Bitcoin looking good here, guys. Looking really good. Oh, fuck it. Apologies, guys. I know some of you probably going, cracked his neck. Elongate is currently mooning. I recommend you jumping on the community. It's insane. We'll take note of that. Crypto has been my new game, but I am losing. Gotta lose, man. I mean, what? That's great that you mentioned that. Like, which game have you ever started in your life that you're immediately great at, where you're immediately beating the gamers who have been playing that game for like a decade, for 5 years, for 2 years, for 1 year? Which game have you ever entered where you're immediately destroying people, right? If you feel that way, like if you found a game where you're winning immediately, it's either that you're not playing against people who are actually good at the game yet, or you're playing with yourself, right? So that's why people who trade altcoins, because the communities are usually smaller, feel like they're winners. But as soon as the coin starts getting more and more exposure, they start feeling more and more of the pressure of different market participants entering, because that's what the markets are. You're trading against people, right? Hey Angera, my brother's on a wheelchair too, so I don't know why I said that, but yeah, he talks about wheelchairs all the time, so just it just reminded me of him. Alright guys, I think I'll wrap up here. But Bitcoin's looking good. We have a nice break over here. It's looking like it wants to see continuation. If we do start seeing candles close within the structure over here, we're likely going to test a little bit lower, probably around 56,000 to around 56,800. So we're looking at a 15-minute chart over here, so I'm going to move that much. Great candle, great freaking candle close. Seeing resistance over here at 57,000. If we close above 57,000, we're likely going to make our way to around 58,900 or 293. Yeah, pretty much it. Remember, ultimately, I'm not going to get ultra bullish on Bitcoin until we close where? Until we start closing daily candles above 60,000-ish. Until that happens, I'm not going to be getting too bullish on Bitcoin. Cardano, quickly, we can go ahead, since everyone cares about Cardano more than Bitcoin. Same story, still consolidating. Key horizontal to hold is $1.15, $1.16-ish. We are looking at this diagonal line here for consolidation. We want to see the daily close above the op line right over here. I can't see where it is at the moment. Let me go ahead and turn on the data window. Where is it? Yeah, it's around $1.20, right? $1.20. So we start closing above there. That's going to be great for the daily candle. Do I spot or leverage trade? I leverage whenever I can. Right, so Bitcoin I leverage trade. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed both the streams. Hey, Ryan is in here. Ryan, you're literally joining in on the tail end of the second stream. We did do a stream prior to this, just literally prior to this one. So if you guys missed that one, go ahead and watch that one. That was an hour and a half long. I started the stream mostly because Bitcoin started pumping right after the stream ended, the prior stream ended. I'm like, hey, why not watch Bitcoin move with you guys, hang out a little bit more, chill with you guys. But what are my views on AVAX? We'll cover that tomorrow or maybe on the weekend. Pretty tired right now. The second stream in a row. How long have we been here? 20 minutes, not too long. I'll go and check it out, says Ryan. Yeah, man, you do that. Great to see you in here. Make sure all of you hit the like, hit the subscribe, and thank you for joining, Ryan. Thank you for joining Carlos and any other seedlings that are still in here that I miss. Old Man is still in here as well. Good to see you all. Thank you all. Big shout outs. My favorite Mongolians. share it as well. Thank you. See you guys in the next one.